ज्योतिष के क्षेत्र में अपनी सफलता का परचम लहरा चुके ज्योतिष गुरु श्री के.एन. राव के हाथों मेडल से सम्मानित, अपनी सटीक भविष्यवाणी के लिए सुप्रसिद्ध और ज्योतिष अलंकार एवं ज्योतिष आचार्य अवार्ड से सम्मानित ज्योतिष आचार्य रमन जी।
Hello friends, this is Acharya Raman, Vedic astrologer since last 20 years. Today we'll do monthly horoscope for November 2021, and next in the series we are taking up natives with Gemini sign. To know what is coming with respect to their careers, love and relationship, finance and health in this month of November. Also, we'll find out the remedies for it at the end of the video. To start with, let us start with this chart transit of November 2021 or the planetary positions of planets in November 2021 or 2021. Starting with the career of Gemini natives. For natives belonging to zodiac sign Gemini, this month will prove to be ordinary with regards to your career. The planet Saturn is placed in your 8th house, which is also aspecting the 10th house, which is the house of profession. And due to this transit of Saturn, there may be lots of ups and downs in your career. You may not be able to get the good result of your hard work. Also, your 10th Lord Jupiter is placed in the 8th house with Saturn getting debilitated. You might face too much hurdles in your profession, especially at the starting phase or initially. But also, since Jupiter is making a Neech Bhang Raj Yoga, then things might improve after initial failures. Also, placement of Mercury in the 4th house aspecting the 10th house of profession. You will be getting some solace due to your networking, as ascendant Lord Mercury in the 4th house is exalted in own sign, which is the Virgo sign, and aspecting the 10th house. However, placement of Ketu in the 6th house might create some sort of misunderstanding between the colleagues. Those into business, since 7th Lord Jupiter is debilitated with Saturn in 8th house making a Neech Bhang Raj Yoga, so there would be too many initial hurdles and failure. But if you carry on with your hard work and sincere effort, you will be able to gain success overcoming the initial obstacle. Also, 7th Lord debilitated in the 8th house with Saturn and Mars aspecting the 7th house of partnership. There might be clashes and fights among the partner, and in some cases there may be sudden ending of partnership. But due to placement of Venus in the 7th house, which is 12th Lord as well, therefore there would not be any problems for those having females as partner or those who are involved in foreign trade, as Venus is trinal Lord as well. 11th Lord Mars and Sun in the 3rd house together in the 5th house. 11th Lord Mars and 3rd Lord Sun together in the 5th house, where Mars aspecting the own 11th house. You will be able to get some gains, but you are still advised not to rush for gains, as these two fiery planets are together and aspecting the 11th house where Sun is debilitated. So take your decision properly after properly analyzing pros and cons of situation. Now, regarding the finance point of view, financial situation would be good this month, as Saturn along with Jupiter is aspecting the 2nd house and Mars would be aspecting the own house, which is 11th house from the 5th house, thereby increasing the income considerably. As Rahu is in the house of loss or expenses, indicated that you will have good income but expenses will remain high. So it is very important to curb your expenses. Also, Mercury in the 4th house is exalted sign in Virgo, which is the exalted sign of Mercury, and aspecting the 10th house. Those doing business of trading or commission business will get good number of clients and may be able to enhance their income. Now for love and relationships, for Gemini natives November 2021, there will be mixed result in the love and romance, as 5th Lord Venus is posted in the 7th house of sex, due to which there could be lot of intimate moments between the lovers, but the placement of Sun and Mars, two fiery planets together in the 5th house where Sun is debilitated, there might be clashes, fights and arguments between the lover as a result of ego problem between the lovers, especially more in the first 2 weeks, because after that Sun will transit into next sign, and which could calm the things a little, but still you are advised to keep your tempers down. Single persons will find it difficult to get into new relationship in the month of November due to the aspect of Saturn on the 5th house from the 8th house, and in some cases it might break off the relationship between lovers. Married natives will also have mixed time, as 7th Lord Jupiter is debilitated in the 8th house with Saturn, and also fiery planet Mars would be aspecting the 7th Lord Jupiter, which might create fights and clashes between husband and wife. But the placement of Venus in the 7th house is the silver lining, due to which married natives might get some intimate moment as well to keep the things moving. Regarding the health point of view, the month of November would be good from the health point of view for Gemini native, as the ascendant Lord Mercury is placed in the 4th house in Virgo sign, which is the exalted sign of Mercury. So being ascendant, which is exalted, it is a good time for health point of view. But the placement of Sun and Mars, two fiery planets together in the 5th house where Sun is debilitated, can create some stomach problem, as it would be aspected by Saturn as well. So you are advised to keep your eating habits under control and also maintain yourself physically active by regular exercise. The remedy would be do the Venus mantra for relationship problems and do the Jupiter mantra for professional problems. Hope friends you like my video, and if you did like it, then please do comment on it, like it, share it, and also please do subscribe to my channel. And if you need any consultation from me, you can WhatsApp me on 9911351351, or you can log on to www.astrologerraman.com. Thank you friends.
अगर आप भी समस्याओं से परेशान हैं और समाधान पाकर अपने जीवन को सुखमय बनाना चाहते हैं, तो जाने माने ज्योतिषाचार्य आचार्य रमन जी से मिलकर इन सभी समस्याओं का समाधान प्राप्त करें। 3341 सेक्टर 23 हुड्डा, गुड़गांव, हरियाणा 122001। हमारे कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर्स हैं 09911 351 351, 08130 201 201। हमारी वेबसाइट है www.theindianastrologer.com।